folks, Flipknot here, back on the Franken 48. Yes, she's running. Yes, she's perfectly fine. Most everything's great with it. Just a few things. Well, that's very near in the future. We're gonna fix those things. But hey, guys, new day. Sun is out. Try not to think too much about my poor dog. She's fine, by the way. She's 100% normal. She's not sick. She just has a degenerative heart disease that will eventually kill her by suffocating her and having her lungs drown in blood. Yeah. No, we're not going to think about that anymore. No, she's fine. She's great. It's everything. It's pretty much what I thought it was going to be. It's just basically, it's at this point, it's just basically, whatchamacallit? Come on, brain. Come on, brain. At this point, it's just precautionary medicine just to make sure that it's affects her as least bit as possible and allows her to live for as long as possible, which is my main concern, because my God, that dog is my heart and soul. And that's what I did with the little bit of the soul that I had left. I gave it to her. But I'm pretty sure she'd be more than happy to take your soul too if you're willing to give it to her. But you know, you look into those eyes, she'll have you. Ruh-roh. Pretty sure I left my big camera at home too now. Backpack's a little light. Crap. As for somebody who's been riding an electric motorcycle for the last 6 weeks, my microphone hasn't really picked up any exhaust sound because there's been no exhaust sound. It's been an issue in the last couple of videos I've been trying to shoot, and I need to figure out to make sure that my microphone's in the right place, because typically it's right about here and it's kind of facing down, so it picks up kind of what's going on over there. Microphones are directional most of the time. If it's pointing down, it's going to pick up a lot more exhaust sound if it's coming out that way. So I moved my microphone now. It's pointing upwards. It's kind of that way now. It's kind of it's right underneath my lip, which, if I'm being completely honest, it is super aggravating because it kind of just keeps rubbing up against my lips, and little plastic edges feel like it's gonna cut my lips. So I'm gonna have to fix that again now. Back to the world of the combustion engine. Gotta get used to this again. Hopefully my audio comes out way better in this video than it did in the last video. Last video clearly was not in the best mindset to worry about all that. I'm back to the task at hand. I am heading over to Cash Street Deli. It is the best New York style Jewish deli in all of Tampa Bay area. And what do I mean by that? It is the only real New York Jewish deli in all of the Tampa Bay area. I've had better. If you've ever been to freaking Cat's Deli in New York, there is no better, period. But you take what you can get, and this is what I can get. So I'm going to get me some. I'm gonna pick up food for my good friend, Mr. Tree Surgeon, as well. Gonna dodge a lot of, you know, this stuff, which, there she blows. All right, cool. Wow, this must suck for them as a business. Do I go up the sidewalk? I'm going up the sidewalk. But yes, fresh cut pastrami sandwiches, turkey, matzo ball soup, all the good fixins. Last time I was here was actually, the first time I was here, which was the last time I was here, was right before. Oh, well, that sucks. Huh. Well, gonna have to figure something else out. Now I'm in a pickle, and I don't know what to do about it. Well, folks, now that it's officially rained on my parade, I'm gonna go down to the Shame, see what Josh thinks, see maybe we can think of something else to go eat. I've really been enjoying making these food reviews, and it seems like a lot of you have enjoyed it just as much as I have eating this food. I just needed something to do to drag myself out of bed, because if I don't make YouTube videos, I don't make money. If I don't make money, I don't get to pay for my dog's expensive new medicine. next day. And looking a little bit closer at the Cash Street Deli website, they said that they close at 3 o'clock every day. Did not know that. Whoops. When I try to go there, it's around 4. You live, you learn, you try again. So I tried again. They won't answer their phones. The website won't let me order online. It's kind of hard to get mad at somebody who makes everything from scratch, from homemade, and you can only do so much in the middle of a pandemic with limited resources and hands to help. It's a weird world. Can't get mad at them. I get it. That's just a weird situation for all of us. I can make it! Nope. So I went on my magical little wizard box and I looked up sandwich shops, and after perusing a few pictures and seeing where they are in relative location to where I am and where DSG is, I found a place called the Sulphur Springs Sandwich Shop. Looks pretty rad, can't lie. They have a Cuban sandwich on the menu, which, as we all know at this point, I love Cuban sandwiches. But they have another sandwich on the menu called the Springs Theater Sandwich. Mojo pork, Gruyere, apple, and bacon. Sounds pretty tasty. The problem with this is, well, there's no real problem. The thing is that I can't say no to this sandwich because when I was 17, 18, I used to be in a band called Super Today. No, wait, that was the first band. Taxi Driver. I used to be in a band called Taxi Driver back like right as I left high school. And the lead singer, his dad owned Springs Theater, and we used to practice in there. They used to record orchestras and like choirs in there. It's a giant theater. It's gorgeous in there. It's super rad. It's one of those dream places to own, especially if you love music, because the engineering booth, it floats over the floor where you do all your performances. There's this giant big screen. There's an amazing loft apartment in there. Get on the roof, see all of Seminole Heights. It's just a super rad building. But, you know, since I used to practice there, my old band, let's go give this sandwich a shot. Can I get a Springs Theater to go? That'll be it. I'll try the potato. Ooh, macaroni salad, please. Yes, please. Flip? Yes. Oh, thank you. Hold on. Thank you, sir. Alright, Sulphur Springs Sandwich Shop. That looked awesome. Can't wait to try your food. Before I can do that, I gotta do something I have not wanted to do in a very, very long time. And I am now being forced to do that. And that is going to go get gas. I haven't stopped at a gas station for 6 weeks now. You know, for everybody who complains about the range on the Livewire has not ridden a 48. I maybe got 10 miles left in my gas tank, and right now 55 miles through the whole tank. So I'll be getting 60 miles out of my gas tank. Again, and then you guys complain about the Livewire. Tisk, tisk, tisk. At least I can get ethanol free, guys. Such a freaking chore. And now it's sandwich time. I think the appropriate mood right now until we get the sandwich in my hands is fast forward time lapse with some heavy metal. So, sights are to turn green, everything's not gonna go real fast. Doesn't get more Florida than that, folks. A back seat in the back of a pickup truck. Alright, I just sat down at BSG. I haven't even opened this yet. If it's a little screwy, it's because it's been in the backpack. Do not judge them for that. I won't. So let's see what this thing looks like. That right there, folks, is a perfect toast. Perfect. Also, I ordered the macaroni salad, not the pasta salad. Or I meant the pasta salad, not the... See, exactly. What's the goddamn difference between pasta salad and macaroni salad? Obviously, I got it wrong. Oh well, still gonna try it. Ooh, cheese pull. Cheese pull. Cheese pull goodness. Cheese curtains. Alright. That's an awesome sandwich. Thank you. Sulphur Spring Sandwich Shop. Good job. Alright, that was delicious. One last thing to discuss. It's been a good 2 days. I've been in better moods. The dog is fantastic, like I said before, but there's one more love of my life that we need to talk a little bit about, and that's my Franken 48. Everything's fine with it. People have been asking. So here's a little bit of an update before I do a full-blown update in the next couple weeks on what's going on and what the plans are. As everything stands right now, it runs, it rolls, it does everything it's supposed to do as a motorcycle. But there's a few things that could be done better. The front end over here, it's very bouncy. It moves a lot. It wobbles, I guess. So somebody said something about a brace. I know nothing about these things. I guess there's fork braces. Probably gonna put in new shocks or new springs in the front forks because there's really not much other way to fix that. Otherwise, it's pretty much where it is. It just needs some paint and whatever. We can dive in a little deeper a different time. But for now, it runs. It lives. She ain't pretty, but she does what she does. But on that note, folks, that's where I'm gonna call it a day. You all know how this works. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.